Good morning to all. I am Chilkamar Chatrapani, Director Commercial TGSPDCL. I feel pleasure and honor to me to inviting me as a chief guest for this National Energy Conservation Day celebrations by Bharat Smart Services. Everybody is talking about save energy and conserve the energy. Really good thing. But as a director commercial of a distribution company, I always tell to industrial associations, industrial consumers, commercial consumers, domestic consumers, whoever come across to me, interact with me, I tell them, sir, consume more and more energy. I always tell them as a director commercial, but I tell them one more thing, consume more and more energy, but don't waste the energy. Don't waste the energy, and whatever you consume, pay for it to provide the distribution company reliable, quality, safety, electrical power supply at affordable rates to the all categories of consumers. This message I give every time, even every meeting I tell that. Why? Because this distribution company major roles are only two major roles. That is, first is the provide quality, safety, reliable power supply to all the consumers. Second, at affordable rates. Second is the correct metering, billing and collection. These only the two functions we will perform as a distribution company. Yes, all of you know very well, we are purchasing the power from the generators. Electricity will be generated from the thermal power plants. They use coal as a input. You know very well, if we burn the coal, pollution will come. To reduce the pollution, we have to conserve the energy. Next thing is the diesel generators. Even burning the diesel also, it will create the pollution. And moreover, our diesel, petrol, we are purchasing from foreign countries. Major our economy amount goes to them. Next one is the coal. Coal is a limited resource are there, depleting day to day. Then electricity will be generated from the nuclear. You know very well how nuclear, uranium or thorium processing requires lot of efforts. Those resources also limited. Now we are going for clean and green energy, solar energy, wind energy. It is abundant on the earth. We are going towards that. That's why our state government taken a decision to generate 20,000 megawatts in the Telangana within 5 to 6 years. That mission has taken to encourage them green energy. These clean and green solar power plants are very much essential for conservation of energy, to avoid wastage of energy. One thing is, there is a need to improve the efficiency of the electrical appliances and better use of the electrical appliances. That is one side. Other side of the coin is usage of the electricity at appropriate time is also more important nowadays. Why? Because as I told, solar energy, wind energy is an intermittent energy. Solar energy is available during the daytime. As of all you know that during the peak load hours, during the night hours, we are using the thermal power. That's why there is a need to reduce the usage of the power from the peak hours to the off-peak hours, so as to make the load curve as a straight curve and to reduce the stress on the network. And moreover, operation of the electrical appliances near to the unity is also more and more essential to improve the power factor, to reduce the load on the network, to reduce the stress on the network. Why I am telling use more and more energy, one more reason I will tell is electricity is the per capita consumption indicates the growth of the any state or country. Our average per capita consumption of India is about 1500 to 1600, whereas the Telangana per capita consumption is more than 2500. But even then, it is very less comparing to the world. World per capita consumption is about 3500. Our per capita consumption is far less than the world per capita consumption. Yes, importance of the electricity is increasing, automation is increasing, even in the domestic also, automation is increasing, like floor cleaners, dishwashers, mixers, microwave ovens. Not only in the industrial sector and the commercial sector, automation is increasing. Appliances, electrical appliances are introducing in the even domestic, commercial and industrial sector. The usage of the appliances properly is also more important. At the unity power factor, we have to maintain the system, then load on the grid will be reduced drastically. That is more and more important. Next one is the switching off. As one of the speaker told, switching off the appliances after use is more and more important. If the appliance is connected to the system and the switch is on, even the appliance is not working, it will consume milliamps. That milliamps multiplied with the voltage for a certain time, it will consume the energy. To avoid that energy, usage of the appliances properly is more and more essential. This conservation of the energy means not the stop usage of the energy. It is simply the usage of the energy with common sense and wisely. That is more important. That's why I request all the consumers to consume more and more energy, but don't waste the energy. Use the electricity or any other source with intelligently and wisely. Furthermore, yes, diesel vehicles, petrol vehicles are creating the pollution. There is a need to change over to the EV vehicles. That is most important. Now, efficiency of the EV vehicles is also very good, and government is also giving the incentives for usage of the EV vehicles. That's why each and every citizen of India responsibility is to reduce the pollution and use the energy properly. That's why this Bharat Smart Services, they are developed few apps, few instruments, equipment which are creating the awareness among the consumers, and it is more useful for conservation of the energy, improvement of the power factor, and further also they are more enthusiastic to develop the technologies to conserve the more and more energy and usage of the electricity furthermore wisely. Once again, I thank Bharat Smart Services for giving me opportunity to be here. Thank you.